Good morning, Lynn. All right, here is your 636 SA sitting on blue, my 48. Everything's looking good. We lost a little bit of patina in here, but that's all right. Nice and dry. All right, let's take a look down inside. That's nice and dry. Okay, yeah, I'm shaking. It's a little cold out here. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up. What you're looking for on a warm restart. Look down inside again. No drip, so everything is set right. No overflow. Go ahead and look at some numbers. Idle RPM is right at about 650. And she warms up a little bit better, 660, looking good. Fuel pressure, 3, looking real good. Vacuum is 23, nice and good and steady, yep. And there's the dwell at 42. All right, let's pull it through a couple times.